If you're seeing the GOG error E1, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This is especially useful if the error shows up during a game patch, update or install, because in many cases, the issue is just a corrupted local game file or a launcher conflict. We'll start with the safest fix inside GOG Galaxy first, and then I'll show you the backup method using the GOG website if the launcher still gives you trouble. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GOG Galaxy and go to your library. Find the game that is showing the E1 error and click on it so you can open the game page. Once you're there, look for the Customize or Options button, which is usually right next to the Play button. Click that menu, because this is where you'll find the repair tools for the installation. From the drop-down, select Manage Installation and then choose Verify Repair. This is the most important first step because GOG Galaxy will now scan your local game files and compare them against the official version. If anything is missing, damaged, or incorrectly installed, the launcher will delete those corrupted assets and replace them with clean files automatically. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so let the process finish completely. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the E1 error and get the game working again. Once the verification is done, try launching the game again and see if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, or if GOG Galaxy keeps triggering the same conflict, the next step is to bypass the launcher and download the clean installers directly from the GOG website. Open your web browser and log into your GOG account. After signing in, go to your account library and select the same game from the grid. On the game page, scroll down until you find the option called Download Offline Backup Game Installers. Click that, because this lets you download the full setup files directly to your computer without relying on the launcher. Download all of the required installer files to your desktop or another easy-to-find folder. Then run the setup executables one by one and install the game manually. This method is very helpful when the launcher database is causing the E1 error, because it removes that client interference and gives you a clean installation path. After the install is complete, launch the game again and check whether everything is working normally. If you still have issues, make sure your internet connection is stable. Close GOG Galaxy completely and try the Verify or Offline Installer method one more time. In most cases, one of these two fixes will solve the problem. So to recap, first use Verify Repair inside GOG Galaxy to scan and replace damaged game files, and if that doesn't work, download the offline backup installers from your GOG web library and install the game directly. Those two steps usually fix GOG error E1 without needing anything more complicated. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.